Today a lot of snow here in Bergen. There we stay close to the fantoft hostel, and so you can see the weather. This morning it was terrible. Yeah, a lot of snow. I hope the weather is better tomorrow. Look. Yeah. uh, it's not bad. Yes, I think it's better the snow than the rain, because also it's practical to work. Oh shit, look, the man, the cleaning on the street with the car. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, of course. Hey man. Shit. Yeah. Oh shit. It's Girgis. Look. Yeah. This is the way for arrive at the bus stop for Bergen. And there the sports center there. Ooh. Oh shit. It's Girgis. Yeah. The weather is terrible. Yeah. Look there. Oh shit, the wind. And now I am going to the swimming pool in Bergen. I don't think it's the good idea with the weather. Safari supermarket is more expensive. Erasmus guy, you can't game here. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah. Okay, guy. See you the next movie. Bye.